When I posted the video asking about milk suggestions yesterday, I had not imagined that there would be so many helpful people who would, like, there are so many people who have left comments with actual answers to my question. They have shared how milk works in the dairy industry. You know, there's homogenized milk and non-homogenized milk, and the difference between buffalo milk and cow's milk, and all the kind of brands available in Australia. People have written from Sydney, from Melbourne, from Perth, suggesting which brands I should try. There is a brand called Kisan Official, which I've realized that a lot of Indians love, and I'm told that it's available at Indian stores. And initially I was like, oh, but where are you from? And they were like, oh, we're in Melbourne. And I was like, oh, then maybe it's not available in Adelaide. But now I've had 3 people tell me at exactly which stores that milk is available in Adelaide. And one of those Indian stores is really close to where I live. There's also a Flurry Milk company which does milk where if you boil it, you get a lot of cream. There's a lot of independent dairies. I've heard names like Tilba Tilba and Made by Cow. And even the brand that I'm showing in the video, Farmhouse Gold, they have 2 varieties called Cream on Top and Extra Cream on Top. And so yeah, like I have learned a lot about milk, and I have had comments from people from India and all over Australia telling me how they came to Australia and didn't find the kind of milk and what they found, and maybe, you know, they've made suggestions. And I'm just like, I'm in awe of how awesome everyone has been and how genuinely helpful people have been. I mean, there's been like 1 or 2 odd comments where like, oh, just go back to India to your milk, which I was not expecting. But you know, it is what it is. A lot of people had questions asking me, why didn't I just buy fresh cream instead of wanting to make my own? And well, the way I've responded to everyone is that nostalgia got me, because I was like, I really wanted to do that, you know, where mom used to boil 4-5 liters of milk and then you know, cool it and put it in the fridge, and the next day in the morning it would have this thick layer of cream on top, and it would be nice and cold, and I would sneak into the fridge and I would just like collect all the malai and put it straight in my mouth. I wanted to kind of replicate that as a way of feeling less homesick, I suppose. And it's just, people have been so generous with their time and leaving such long comments explaining to me how milk works and what is the likelihood of getting cream and what kind of milk and the number of brands and their names, and even, you know, tagging them on Instagram. And I generally didn't expect that, like, at all. So thank you. I really appreciate that.